Hi! In this tutorial video, let's learn how to set up loyalty program status in our new customer accounts page. Loyalty programs are designed to reward repeat customers. One key feature of these programs is the status tier system, which tracks a customer's level of engagement with the brand. Customers can see their points and/or store credits, loyalty status tier, and many more. Customers can usually find their loyalty program status right on the order page once it's been added. Customers can also check their status in their profile page. In fact, depending on merchants' preferences, merchants can set in either the profile page, the order page, or both. Start by accessing the settings in the Akohub marketing app. Scroll down to Loyalty Program Status. Click Setup. Simply click Install. Click the Add icon to begin customizing your loyalty program status. Let's go through the steps if you choose to add your loyalty program status in your profile page. Select Profile from the drop-down menu to personalize your loyalty program status block settings. This is the Personal Details block. It includes customers' point balance, tier status, and rewards. Hit Save to lock in your customizations. Now let's learn how to access your loyalty program status on your profile page. Go to your store page and click on the profile icon. Click on your initials to view your profile settings. Choose Profile from the drop-down. Here's what the loyalty program status will look like in your profile page. You'll get to view your point balance, tier status, store credit balance, and view your rewards. Now let's go through the steps for adding loyalty program status in your order page. Start by selecting the order option under the loyalty program status section. Click Save. Now let's learn how to access your loyalty program status on your order page. Go to your store page and click on the profile icon. In the order page, you will see your loyalty program status. Here's what the loyalty program status will look like. You'll get to view your point balance, tier status, store credit balance, and view your rewards. Now let's learn how to customize the content and languages. In the Settings page, scroll down to find Content and Languages. Click Edit Content. You can customize 3 languages: traditional Chinese, English, and French. Play along and customize the details in your chosen language. If you need any help, contact us at service@akohub.com or book a 20-minute free consultation at Calendly.